Hi, it's Amy Iverson with a tech check that couldn't wait until my next regular appearance on Studio 5. A major change is coming to Instagram with built-in restrictions for accounts of teenagers. They're called teen accounts. It's getting 7 major changes. The first one is just a feature made especially for teens where they can select the topics they want to see more of. Also, all accounts will now be set to private, which means teens will have to accept new follow requests. This goes automatically for anyone aged under 16. 16 to 18, it'll be for new signups. There are also limited interactions, which means they can only be tagged by people they follow and who follow them. And any offensive words or phrases will be filtered out of comments and DMs. There are also messaging restrictions now, which means teens can only be messaged by their connections. And teen accounts will also be set to automatically be at the most restrictive setting when it comes to content. Finally, sleep mode is turning on automatically from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m., which means notifications are silenced and there's an automatic reply to any DMs. To change this, they have to get a parent's permission, which means the teen has to set up something called parental supervision, and the parent must say okay if a teen wants to make any changes to these settings.
Big changes. Amy, thank you for the update. And we'll note that Instagram is already notifying teens about these changes. They're going to start moving or migrating accounts over next week. And all teenagers should be shifted to a teen account, Instagram promises, within the next 60 days.